A University of Texas student is headed back to school after taking a year off to fight a quickly progressing type of blood cancer. After undergoing chemotherapy and radiation, he had a bone marrow transplant, the youngest person to have the procedure in Austin. Now in remission, he is sharing his story with KVUE's Aaron Jones.
It was a very difficult experience for me.
Logan Crow is talking about the day he found out he had cancer. At the time, the 19-year-old Round Rock native was starting his sophomore year at the University of Texas.
I was just going through helping out my fraternity with summer rush when all this happened.
Doctors told him he would need to take a year off from school to fight ALL.
ALL is acute lymphocytic leukemia,
a type of blood cancer that affects white blood cells. Logan was told if not treated right away, it could become fatal within a few months. His mom couldn't believe it.
When the doctor told me what he had, that's when I started to cry.
But those tears dried when they met the doctor who would treat Logan.
Dr. R sat with us for a couple of hours and told us everything that was going on and what would be happening.
Lucky for them, the Sarah Cannon Blood Cancer Center at St. David's South Austin Medical Center had just opened up, meaning Logan would not have to travel far for treatment.
Before we opened the Blood Cancer Center here, patients who needed this specialized type of care often had to leave town to get it.
Logan underwent chemotherapy, radiation, and then a bone marrow transplant.
I mean, there were a few moments where I guess I felt a little sad, mostly because I felt like I was missing out on a lot of what my friends were doing down here at UT.
But he was happy to have his parents by his side.
Having them there to spend time with me really helped pass the time.
The transplant went smoothly and Logan was discharged just 12 days later.
He was the youngest patient we had treated here at South Austin Medical Center.
I had trust that I would get through it just fine.
Now cancer-free, he says.
It's great. I mean, pretty much for the most part feel like I'm back to normal.
No, it's just a blessing.
His parents couldn't be happier. Aaron Jones, KVUE News.